I told Luke, I'm kind of afraid to walk through here, but I kind of want to. And he just starts walking. And I'm like, yeah, let's do this. Oh. Gotta watch where I'm walking. Oh, people are out with their boats today. I told Luke we got some Perrier in the trunk of the car. We just need to show up and be like, hey, we heard there's a party.
Like holding probably crabs or...
I'd be scared if something just jumped out of that. There's a lot of little holes. Oh, there's one. There's one. Probably crabs. We'll take you all out to the water with us here. Man, it's nice out today. Look, there's some mushrooms growing on this one.
Those don't look like yummy mushrooms.
I wouldn't eat those. Look at these plants. These are beautiful. There's a little squirrel over here, but I don't know if you guys can see it before it runs. Oh, it's actually coming towards us. Look, it's got a little something. There's a little lizard. Oh my gosh. There's another one. Oh, I don't think I can zoom in right now, but that's awesome. They're so cute. Bye, squirrel. Look, there's another one. Hi, cutie. You're so cute, little bitty. Luke was saying we see more nature in the parking lot than we do in the actual nature area. It's true. Yeah, that is pretty. It's like totally different colored than the rest of them. Strangler fig. Oh my gosh! Wait, I just saw a really beautiful bird up there. I don't think it's a woodpecker. Oh my god, you're so beautiful. Oh wow! Oh. Gorgeous patterns. Wow. Oh wow. It looks like, I don't know, mushrooms growing all over it, but it's not. Did those all get cut down or what happened?
Yeah, probably. They're probably all dead.
Yeah. On to the next trail.
Another baby crabs.
Lots of little crabs out here.
Another kind of big one. It's probably about...
Oh, yeah. There's a little baby up ahead. You might be able to see him in a minute when he runs off. There you go, little baby. Are you missing your tail? Did you get scared and you dropped your tail? I think their tails grow back though. Hi, oops, bye. He's like, no, I don't know you. Stranger danger. He was a tubby little guy. A buttonwood tree. Okay, just looks like a regular tree to me, but it's not, it's a buttonwood. Yeah. It smells kind of nasty over here. It smells very swampy over here. Look at that weird tree. It's growing out sideways. It's growing back in again. I like to look at all these different trees. This one's growing sideways too. Interesting. Wow. Lots of them. So many different trees out here I've never ever seen before moving to Florida. That's so cool. It's a little free library donated by the Friends of Ann Kolb Nature Center, made from recycled milk jugs. Let's look inside and see what they have. Ooh, Lethal White, Minutes to Midnight. I love books. This is so cool. That means I can read some of my books, bring some here, and take some. Oh, this is so cool. Let's see what else is back there. This is very exciting. Tom Sawyer. Oh, this is so neat. I love this. I've seen these in people's yards before, but I've never actually gotten to look inside one, and it feels just like a little treasure. Lots of James Patterson. I have some James Patterson. So cool. That makes me really happy. Looks similar to the one earlier, but no, it's a little different. See, I'm so afraid to touch things now because the other day when you got itchy, but it's beautiful. Oops, I just spilled water all over myself. Wow, I spilled that in the wrong place, didn't I? Awesome. I don't care. I'll walk around with pee pants. I don't mind. Luke knows I didn't pee my pants.
Way too young.
Look at that. It's beautiful. I think humans are supposed to be in nature a lot more than we actually get in nature. You know, like everybody be a lot calmer and in a lot better moods if we just went out and walked in some grass and looked at some trees. That's what I think. Yeah, we can sit up here for a little bit and relax. Oh, there is another little trail. Yeah, that is a neat spot over there. We'll just sit on this little bench and enjoy the water. Yeah, but that's just like but they probably rented that out, so I think it's probably there. Oh, I'm seeing like a lot of action all of a sudden. I turned it on regular speed and people are just like going. How cool.
See, something like that's only big enough if you're like just like to go fishing. You know,
Yeah.
like if you can't camp.
He's a baby. Hey, little guy. He's just chilling. He's got his tail.